Sharecropping. This is the map of the United States for sharecropping. Carefully examine the map below, which shows the percentage of farmers who were sharecroppers, as well as the percentage increase of sharecroppers between 1880 and 1900 by state. Take a look at each one of these states on the map. If you need to, get one of your atlas so that you'll know what each one of the states' names are. This is the key: sharecropping and tendency 1880 1900 key. Percentage with the percentage of all farmers 1900 is this part right here that has the shades and the rectangle. The light blue over 55%, the stripe with the blue back with the darker blue 40 to 55%, the light blue 20 to 39%, and then the white with the light blue across under 20%. Now this part is increase in percentage of tenants and sharecroppers since 1880. The dark circle over 100, over 10%. The three-quarter circle, 7 to 10%. The one-fourth is 0 to 6.9%. And then the zero or the clear is decreased. So now let's take a look and see what's here. We have Texas, TX, so we know that that's the Texas. And it has a dark blackened circle. So that means it's over 100%. But now let's take a look at the way the color or the shape coloring is. So that means that it is 40 to 55%. And when you go over to Louisiana, you will notice that it has over 10% and it is over 55% because it's all dark. So that's how you're going to read this map, okay? Now you have some questions. Question number one, what's this map showing us? So you're going to respond by telling what the map is showing you. Number two, when analyzing the map above, name one characteristic that the five southern states of Alabama, Georgia, Louisiana, Mississippi, and South Carolina have in common. So that means if you were doing a Venn diagram, whatever falls in the center. And so you have your main states. What do they have in common? And you will go over and you will look at your sharecropping and tendencies for 1880, 1900, and look at the percentage of all farmers in the 1900 and the increase in percentage of tenants and sharecroppers since 1880s and see what they have in common. What was number three? What was the only state in the South which had a decrease in the percentage of sharecroppers? So you're going to have to go back up and look and see what's a decrease. And then you're going to have to look at the southern section and see which one of those states had a decrease. Number four, notice the word for number three is underlined. So when you go up and look at the key, you're going to be looking for that word. And then you're going to go over to the map. You're going to look for the word decrease here that looks like what's there. And then when you see the picture of decrease, you're going to go into the southern section and look for the state that has a decrease. In 1900, number four, what percentage range of all farmers were sharecroppers in the states of Arkansas, North Carolina, Tennessee, and Texas? So once again, you're going up to the map and you're going to look for those states, and then you're going to look and see what their percentage was by looking at your key. The sharecropper and tendencies, 1880 to 1900. Number five, in the 1900s, what percentage of all farmers were sharecroppers in the state of Virginia? So you're going to go back up to the state of Virginia and find it. And when you find the state of Virginia, then you're going to go over and look and see what the percentage was for sharecroppers in the state of Virginia. You're going to make sure you write your information in each space. And you will have to replay the video for each one of your numbers.